Dear students, we will see one more program, that is subtraction of two 8-bit numbers by using indirect addressing mode. So this program we are going to execute on the 8085 Ultimate simulator. Just open the application, create new file, then you have to write your program here. So as we are discussing about the program of subtraction of two 8-bit numbers by using indirect addressing mode. So here the two numbers, as we discussed during the discussion of the subtraction programs, the two numbers you have to store in memory. Okay. So the first instruction is to create the memory pointer by using HL register pair. So the first instruction is LXI H comma D000 hex. Okay. So creation of memory pointer by using HL register pair. Next instruction, as we discussed, is to copy the number from the memory by using move A comma M instruction. So next instruction is move A comma M. Okay. Now the data which is available at location D000 we are taking in accumulator by using move A comma M instruction. Press enter. Next instruction is to increment the memory pointer by 1 to locate the next 8-bit number. So next instruction is INX H. So by using this INX H we are incrementing the memory pointer that we created, that is D000. So after INX H in HL you will get D001. Next, then use subtraction instruction. So as far as this indirect addressing mode is concerned, we are having the instruction sub M instruction. So sub space M. Okay. So its operation is already we discussed, A minus memory pointer content result in accumulator. Next instruction is to store the accumulator result to memory location. So STA space D002 X, and last instruction is halt instruction. Okay. Then save this program with a specific name, suppose subtraction indirect. Save. Okay. Now the program is available with us, but the two numbers that we are going to assume for the subtraction we are not considered. The two numbers you have to store in the memory with the starting address D000. Okay. Just go in the kit mode. Okay. So here we can able to see the yellow color 4 digits 0000 indicates the memory address, and 2 yellow color zeros means the data available at that location. Okay. So we have assumed the two numbers starting from D000. So the keypad is given below this display, okay, that is 4 digit 000 and 00. So just type D000, D000, okay, and at this location, suppose the first number that we already discussed during the discussion of the program, suppose 52. Just click on the 00 digit, type 52, okay. Now 52 is available at location D000. Then next number, that is number 2, 31, you have to store at next location, that is D001. For this you have to click on next, okay. So after clicking next, we can able to see here 001, but at this location data is 00. So here you have to store 31. Click on these 2 digits, 31, okay. Once again click on next, okay. So here at location D002, 00 is there. So here according to our program, you should get the subtraction result, okay. Now go back to the text editor window, okay. Then load this program, okay. Then he will ask the starting address, enter the start address. Always remember, the starting address for the program you have to select different. Now here C000 is the starting address, and for data where the 2 numbers are present is stored starting from D000, okay. So always remember, the program should start from different memory location, okay. Then click on start, okay. So after clicking on the start, you can see here the assembled program, okay. And in the status field, all the registers, that is accumulator F register, means flag register, BC, DE pair, all are 000, okay. So as we discussed in last program, the 2 ways to execute the program, step execution and direct straightforward from start to end execution, okay. We will go stepwise. So click on the step, okay. So you have to press next button to execute the first instruction, okay. So after the execution of the first instruction, we can able to see here H register with D0 and L register with 00, creation of the memory pointer. And in the assembly window, we can able to see here this LXI H D000 requires 3 memory location. So LXI H, its opcode is 21 hex, and first processor will fetch the lower byte, that is 00 and then D0, okay. So the first instruction is available at location C000, and after the third location you will find here at location C003 move A, M instruction. So let's click on the next. So after execution of this move A, M, in accumulator you will get the data that you have stored at location D000. So what we have stored? So we have stored 52 hex at D000. That 52 you must get at location at the register A. Just see here, next instruction get executed, move A, M, and in the status field in accumulator we are getting here 52 hex, okay. Next instruction is INX H, incrementation of the memory pointer. So just I will click on the next button, just observe the HL register content. So see here, in H register as it is D0 is there, and in L register 01 means memory pointer incremented by 1, The next instruction is subtraction instruction. A minus m. In accumulator we are having 52 hex, and at location D001 we have stored 31 hex. Okay, so just click, you will get the subtraction result in accumulator. See, we are getting here 21 hex in accumulator, and with respect to this particular subtraction, we are getting parity flag bit set. In F register we can see here P means parity flag bit. Next instruction is to store this result 21 hex in the memory, that is D002. So next instruction is STA D002. Just click on next. Okay, STA instruction is get executed, and your result which is available in the accumulator, that is 21, is stored at memory location D002. And finally, at last, halt instruction. So total number of T states required 48 hex. T state means the clock cycles required to execute this program is 48 clock cycles. Okay. Now the result we are getting here in accumulator. So suppose if you want to check the result in memory, once again go in kit mode, and by using next and previous buttons we can check here. So this is your first number at location D000 52 hex, D001 31 hex, and here D002 with 21 hex. So here in the memory at location we are getting 21 hex subtraction result. So this is about the subtraction of two 8-bit numbers by using indirect addressing mode.